English spelling word game. How to play? On each slide, you will see a new picture and some stamp letters. Use the stamp letter to guess and spell the name of the project that you see in the picture. To guess and spell it correctly, add up the numbers shown on the letter and add it to your score. The higher score wins. Let's start. Use the letter to spell the word. 1 R O C K E C. Can you guess the word? Okay. The word is rocket. Second, Guess the word. So the word is dinosaur. Use the letter to spell the word. R F O L W S I F E. Okay. So the word is flowers. Use the letter to spell the word. MCRTTEFE. Are you guess the word? Okay. The word is recent. Use the letter to spell the word. ILCCEN. What is this? The word is pencil. Use the letter to spell the word APARIELN. And the word is airplane. Use the letter to spell the word OLLAONT. And the word is balloon. Use the letter to spell the word EWOLR. The correct word is world. Thank you. Now it's